Is this thing on? Just kidding, it's on. So, today I am going to be using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. I am so excited for this palette. This is the newest Anastasia palette that just dropped, and as you can see, it is beautiful. Thankfully, none of the colors broke like my Soft Glow palette, which I returned and used and am very happy with. I've heard some good things about this palette. I've seen some good reviews. I am still sick. Shocker. Yeah, so that's what we're going to be using today. I will pick the colors as we go. I don't know exactly what look I'm going to be doing yet. I do have some new products that I got in the mail yesterday. Some new Smashbox highlighter, some Benefit concealer, some new Smashbox lippies, which are my new favorite lips ever. I got this cool Too Faced mirror. You a fine apple. Just kidding. I did get a new Smashbox contour and blush palette. It is the Ablaze face palette. Excited for that. I got my Benefit Stay Don't Stray primer. Sorry, Too Faced. We're gonna try this one out. I did get my Too Faced lip injection. I love this stuff. I don't want to get surgical lip injections on my lips just yet. Maybe someday. So I could have the perfect pout, but not yet. Sorry if I look a little crazy. My makeup really didn't want to come off yesterday, but you know, it is what it is. So let's get started. I do have the new Billie Eilish album playing in the background. Hopefully you can't hear it because my channel will get shut down. It will be a very sad day, and I actually work really hard on these videos, so let's not get my channel taken down. And just a heads up, a little apology if this video is annoying. I ate Oreos for breakfast and chugged my coffee, so I'm feeling it. Okay, so the decision has been made. I'm going to be doing a pink eye look using these colors, this white, and maybe a little bit of the Estate. Today, for our primer, I'm going to be using the Stay Don't Stray Light to Medium Benefit Primer. So I'm just going to go ahead and I like the little brush. Dab that on my eyes and underneath. My first impressions of this primer is that it's very smooth and it did not dry tacky at all, which is super, super nice. Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette goes. I am going to be using Monte Carlo on my lid, Bahamas in my crease, a little bit of Palmero in my crease, some of the Sails on my brow bone and in the corner. So let's get started on that. One difference that I did notice immediately with this palette is that it doesn't have the same fallout as some of the other palettes, and the colors are more pigmented. This could be because they switched their processing center to America. I don't really know, but I definitely noticed that there's more pigment and there's less fallout, which is a huge issue I've had with Anastasia palettes in the past. lips. I want to give it time to set before I do my foundation, just because sometimes when my lips are wet, it causes my foundation to really smear and stick onto them. Today I'm going to be using the Smashbox Liquid Matte Lip in shade Stepping Out, and it's called their Always On Lip. So this is my first time using this product. We will see how it works. I didn't use any lip liner, which you can see. It has a great formula. The brush is amazing. The brush allowed me to actually get the top, which I always have a problem with. I'm very, very, very happy with this. This actually might be my new favorite liquid lip. We will have to see how it dries. So I'm going to be going in with eyeliner, mascara, and my lashes. Eyeliner is going to be the usual Tartiste. Lashes are going to be the Ardell 854. And I'm going to be using the Bad Gal Bang by Benefit for lashes today. So now that our lashes are on, I'm going to go in and do my eyebrows off camera. I just feel like it takes up a little bit too much time on camera, and I want to save a little bit of length in this video. Now that brows are done, I'm going to be going on to face. Today for our face primer, I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. It is a little trial size I got as a bonus from some of the Ulta stuff I bought. I have used the full size and I really like it. It's very smooth. It didn't make me greasy. It kind of like blurred out my pores, so it was a plus in my book. I'm going to be using the same Too Faced UU foundation. We'll get that all put on. For my concealer today, I'm going to be using the Benefit Boing Industrial Strength Concealer. This is what it looks like. It is in the shade number, is it on here? It says number 1. I'm going to go ahead and assume that that's the shade. I'm not really sure. But I'm just going to be going in with my little beauty blender and I'm going to just dab it under my eye. Overall, the Boing concealer is pretty good. It did hide my dark circles a little bit. I really like working with liquid concealers, so I probably wouldn't buy it again in the future, but maybe for like a zit or if you had some redness, I think it would do pretty well. For my contour today, I was going to use the Smashbox The Blaze palette, but I'm going to be using the Smashbox Cali Contour palette. This is the contour that I will be using. I'll be going a little bit for a highlight and then topping it with a little bit brighter one. Really happy with that palette. I haven't used the Smashbox powder in a long time, since 2013. I got their overexposed kit. It came with like some contour that were little gel pots. It came with eyeshadows. It came with a bunch of stuff. I don't really remember. I recently just threw it out, so you can tell how much I hoard makeup. The highlight I'm going to be using is the Smashbox The Hood Witch Crystallized Highlight Powder. Super excited for this. The packaging is so pretty and glitzy. And this is what the highlight looks like. So I'm going to be sweeping that up into my cheekbones. Just going to be setting spray. Today I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. I've had this for a while. I really like it. It lasts for 2 years, so if you don't use makeup every day, it's pretty good. This one is kind of running out. The spray on it is really, really misty, and since I am working tonight, which is why I did my makeup, I just wanted to make sure that it was super, super set. And that's going to be it for today's video, guys. If you have any questions, if you have any requests, you'd like to see me do something, a look, something you've been wanting to try but kind of needed a little how-to, let me know and I'll do it for you. Thanks, guys.